My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Jaguar XE. This vehicle has done just over 66,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. As we move on over to the touchscreen, we can see that we have features such as climate control, as well as navigation. We can choose from a variation of driving modes. And we have a keyless ignition. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.